What's up guys, you joined me here today with another phone unboxing. But this one's a bit different. This is a phone I'm going to be spending some more time with, getting to know, using as a daily driver for the next while. I was extremely excited when a parcel arrived, and well, it's one from these guys, Vivo Mobile. This is the all-new Vivo Y33s. It's a smartphone which promises to pack some impressive features, but all at an affordable price point. Before we cut the seals open, let's have a quick look around the box and give you a quick breakdown as to what some of the main features are. Take a look at the box. Over on the back you see some of the key highlighted features. A 50 megapixel main camera built in, a large 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt ultra fast charging, as well as a 1080p large display. It also has an 8mm slim profile and design, and over on the front you can see I've got the one that's 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM or onboard memory. I'm excited to get out the box though, see firstly what comes inside here, and then we'll spend a bit of time getting to know the device, getting used to it, and seeing what it's like living with the Vivo Mobile Y33s. Now, first thing we must look at is what comes inside the box. So let's cut the seals open now. Then we can reveal a little bit about what is inside the packaging. And if we take the plastic off, as we've done now, let's see, first thing what you're greeted with here inside is an instructional card with the name Vivo on it. If we open that, you're also getting in here, which is really nice to see, a clear polycarbonate style case in the box, as well as some instructional cards. Then below that, the actual smartphone itself. There it is, the Vivo Mobile Y33s, with a list of its main features over on the front. Apart from this, we're getting a pretty hefty large wall power brick here, which we'll get more into in detail just now. And then you also get in here a USB Type-C sync charge cable, as well as a pair of in-ear, very premium looking white Vivo branded earphones. Apart from this, the only other thing you get in the box here is the SIM pin ejection tool, and now we can throw all of this aside and get into using the Y33s and see what it's like as a daily driver. Here in an outdoor and beautiful setting, it gives me a bit more time and opportunity to really take a look at this Vivo mobile device, the Y33. Now firstly, the thing you'll notice immediately is the color, the beautiful blue shimmer. It is absolutely gorgeous to look at, and you'll notice it's an incredibly slim device all around. It's pretty simplistic in terms of appearance, but simplistic and elegant. You got a single firing bottom speaker here. You got USB Type-C sync charge port. You got a 3.5mm audio jack. Quite nice to see I've included that. Your SIM pin ejection tray is on top. A fingerprint sensed volume and power button just below that. And apart from this, a very clean, minimalistic front-facing appearance with a single teardrop style notch. So what about using the device? Well, I've spent a bit of time with it. So let's take a quick tour of the operating system. Fun Touch OS, gets the latest updates, very snappy, impressive to use. You can of course theme it, very bright, vibrant 1080p display, edge to edge with minimalistic bezels which make it look really great in the hand. And the big one of course has to be taking a look at features such as its 50 megapixel camera. Now it's incredibly clear. That's whether you push it under 10 times zoom even, you're getting a very impressive zoom. An ultra macro mode, which is what they call super macro, and that really lets you see some of the quality of this camera. I'm talking the likes of skin tones on plants. Shoot in night mode, it's incredible. You can also do some very impressive video recording with it. Overall, taking a look through the operating system, it's very easy to get used to, very simplistic with a minimalistic skin overlaid onto Android here, and that means that it's snappy and it performs incredibly well. The overall display itself is also bright and vivid, and that's in full sunlight. It's got eye protection, you've got dark themes here, you've even got a couple of clever sound settings for when it rings to make it more in sync and attuned to various different sound levels and even different types of people listening to it. Do you want, they call it ear customized sound effects. Under 30 years old, 30 to 60 and above 60, it'll customize the overall hearing experience. Taking a look around, what you notice here is that it's just an impressive, sharp and well put together device. Gorgeous to look at on the outside. I love that it's included with accessories such as the soft touch case in the box and the large 5000 mAh battery. You package all of it into one single package at an affordable price point, and you really have got a winner here with this Vivo Y33s. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.